Since joining the program, I've made about $9,000. When I first began in terms of my skill level, I really didn't even have the basics. I had a basic camera, and everything that I knew was just different things that I found on the internet, or just some things for trial and error. So I started the academy in December, and my coach really led me, starting by teaching me the basics, and has walked me every step from learning the basics of photography into more advanced concepts in terms of sales and marketing as well. When I began, I didn't know what to charge. I would charge people $100 for a basic shoot, and I thought I was making a lot of money. Now I'm starting to charge upwards of $800, $1,000, $1,200 for the same amount of work. I think some of my favorite things that I've learned so far, obviously, first and foremost, learning about how my camera works, learning about what different equipment I can utilize, and how to take better pictures. And there's a lot of people in my life who've commented on that. A lot of the comments I get from family and friends is they're amazed of how far I've come in photography and how much better I've gotten in such a short period of time. So I've received tremendous value from the tutoring. My teacher really made everything specific to what I was learning. He was able to look at the work that I was doing and give me actionable steps to really make my pictures and videos go to the next level. So in terms of value, it was absolutely everything I paid for and then more. The previous year, I think I made about $800 doing photography, and then joining the academy, making $9,000. So again, paid for the cost of service, paid for additional equipment that I want to utilize. It has definitely paid for itself and more. If you're on the fence about joining the program, absolutely do it. If you want to start a photography business, this will walk you through absolutely everything that you need to take you from beginner to professional. You'll learn more in this program than you'll ever learn on any kind of YouTube video or anything like that. This is hands-on and in-person, and definitely the best program that you can do.